In this problem, we want to solve this absolute value equation and graph the solution set on a real number line. So we got the absolute value of 3x minus 5 is less than 10. Now the absolute value has to be by itself on the left side, no numbers in front of it, no numbers after it, and it is. So then whatever's inside our absolute value is our p, and the other side is our q. Now this is the less than formula. If you have a less than or less than or equal to is case 1, and our formula looks like this. Negative q is less than p is less than a positive q. There's no line underneath here. It's not a less than or equal to. It's just a less than, so these are just lessons. Now everywhere we have a p, we'll plug in 3x minus 5, and everywhere we have a q, we'll plug in 10. So I got negative 10 is less than 3x minus 5 is less than a positive 10. Now our first step is to get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Second step is to get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Third step is to get everything with x in the middle, numbers on the other two sides. So I'm going to take that negative 5, our constant term, and take it to the right side, and take it to the left side. You take anything across your inequality, the sign changes, so the negative 5 becomes a positive 5. Now at any step, combine together numbers. Negative 10 plus 5 gives us negative 5. It's less than 3x is less than 10 plus 5 gives us 15. Our last step is to divide all three sides by number in front of your x. Number in front of our x is a 3, so we'll divide the negative 5 by 3. We'll divide the 3 by 3 with an x to the side, and we'll divide the 15 by 3. So that gives us negative 5/3 is less than x, those 3's cancel, is less than 15 divided by 3, which is 5. Now to graph this, it's going from negative 5/3 to 5. These are less thans. Both of them are less thans, which means these are parentheses. And then we shade what's in between them. If they had been a less than or equal to, that's where you put the bracket. Now interval notation. There's a parentheses on negative 5/3, so parentheses on negative 5/3. There's a parentheses on the 5, so we'll put parentheses on the 5. And that should be a negative 5/3 right there. And those would be your answers.